Okay, so Binance is under investigation, and this is what we'll talk about within the video. You know, I'm a huge supporter for Binance. I personally use it, but before we start, keep in mind that this video is no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet sharing his opinion. But definitely, like the video for the algorithm, subscribe if you're new. I've actually partnered up with Bybit to also get you a very cool promotion bonus that you can claim using the first link in the description down below. It's $2,610 of bonuses. Check it out. Yeah. When you subscribe, by the way, I upload over 30 of these videos every single day with the hottest cryptocurrencies and crypto news. So if you want to learn more about that, subscribe right now. So here is what is happening, what is going on. There's a blog post, there's an article by Bloomberg. You can actually read the full thing on their website. Binance faces probe by US money laundering and tax. Not good. Binance Holding Ltd is under investigation by the Justice Department and Internal Revenue Service, ensnaring the world's biggest cryptocurrency exchange in US efforts to root out illicit activity that's thrived in the red hot but mostly unregulated market. Okay, that's interesting. As part of the inquiry, officials who probe money laundering and tax offenses have sought information from individuals with insight into Binance's business, according to people with knowledge of the matter who asked not to be named because of the probe is confidential. So there's a lot of things going on. Here are concerns, right? US officials have expressed concerns that cryptocurrencies are being used to conceal illegal transactions, including theft and drug deals, that Americans who've made windfall betting on the market's meteoric rise are evading taxes. Their concerns is they're not getting paid taxes. Such worries have been a hindrance to the industry going mainstream. Even Wall Street increasingly embraces Wall Street increasingly embraces Bitcoin and other tokens amid a global investing frenzy. Stock market is going down. That's a way to, you know, hedge your risk investing into some crypto. At least that's my opinion, and that's what a lot of people are doing. So there's obviously they're trying to tie it up with a lot of bad things. I think the biggest concern is just money, is just tax evasion. I think that's their biggest concern. I'll keep you updated as more things come out on the story. Let me know in the comment section down below your opinion. See you next video. Bye.